Cleaning between your teeth with orthodontic brackets and wires can be difficult, but GumChucks has a solution to make flossing faster and easier. ORTHOgami. Developing good habits for children is so important because as they age, keeping their teeth clean doesn't necessarily get easier. Adding obstacles like ortho brackets make it so difficult to clean between their teeth. We know that threading is time-consuming. Reaching the posterior areas without getting caught on the brackets is also difficult. And with the toss and floss devices that work under ortho wires, you can't always achieve the appropriate C shape that we want them to accomplish. Most commonly, they end up doing nothing. In this small study conducted at Loma Linda University, 17 subjects used orthogami on one side of their mouth to floss and get underneath the ortho wire while still creating that C shape. On the other side, they used the traditional floss. The plaque scores were the same, but they completed the task faster with orthogami. In the study, some adults did choose to continue with string floss, but the younger subjects preferred orthogami to traditional flossing. You can see in this video how orthogami works around brackets and under ortho wires. Orthogami has a longer tip that allows it to gently balance on the wire and inserts the floss behind it, so the floss can reach under the gum tissue while making the C shape. They can also be used chair side. Flossing ortho patients as a clinician is so difficult and really time consuming. Now you don't have to use the threader when seeing orthodontic patients, and GumChucks has autoclavable handles available. This way you can use them chair side, even give patient education, and then send them home with the patient sample pack. You can find out more info at GumChucks.com. If you or your patients love GumChucks, don't keep it a secret. We would love for you to tag us on Instagram and tell your friends. Thanks for watching and happy flossing.